Assigning contacts to opportunities will allow you to stay on top of complex deals and allow you to understand each individual's roles throughout different opportunities within the account. To assign a contact to an opportunity from Lucidchart, select any contact, navigate to the Properties bar at the top of the canvas, and select the Opportunity drop-down menu. Opportunities that have contacts assigned to them from Lucidchart will show up here. If you aren't seeing an opportunity that you've created in Salesforce, click Assign Op. A dialog box will appear, and you can search for any opportunity on the Salesforce account. Once you've found the correct opportunity, ensure it's selected, and click Assign. That contact will then be assigned to an opportunity within Salesforce. Doing this will also allow you to assign contact roles to your contacts on the account map. If you'd like to see how to do that, watch our video called How to Assign Contact Role in Lucidchart.